In this video, I'll show you how you can fix not enough memory to open this page. Now the first thing you should do is close down if you have a lot of extra tabs. Just close them down and make sure you only have a few open. Now if that still doesn't work, another thing you can do is come here and go to Manage Extensions. And in here you should try and remove some of the extensions that you don't use. Sometimes some extensions can cause this issue. Now if you've done this and you're still getting the error, another thing you can do is come here and search for View, Advanced System Settings. In here you can go to Settings, Advanced, Change, uncheck this, Custom Size, and then try and do 1 GB on both. So 1024 on both, set OK, and then press Apply and OK. See if that fixes the issue. Now once you've done all of these, you can also try and do a restart of the PC and see if this helps. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.